front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then before doing anything most people miss, that you should click on this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those sections. Alarm duration, key press settings, etc. located under Alarm. When you finished, go back and use this plus icon to create a new alarm. Now set up an hour. Following that, tap on one of those options to pick Repeat once, weekdays, or my personal favorite, Custom. After you tap on Custom, you can pick days of the week manually. Let's go with Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Hit Save, tap on Snooze, and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you wanna switch it on or off completely, use this switcher right next to Snooze at the top. Then hit Alarm Tone. Tap on Music at the top right corner to pick any song from your device and apply it by hitting OK. You can also choose alarm tone and pick one of those sounds, like for example, maybe Cowboy's Love. Hit OK to save it. Tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable vibrations for this alarm. And last but not least, select Label to name it and OK to save its name. Now use this check mark at the top right corner to set up your new alarm. When I do that, it will be automatically saved. As you can see, now it's here. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the check mark again. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it, hit the Delete button at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!